An intelligence-driven operation conducted between Sandy Beach and Savans Bay Viewfort resulted in the arrest of 4 Vincentian nationals.
This is Inspector Siobhan Matthew, and he is the new bad boy on the block. So who is Siobhan Matthew? Now, they used to call him the Big Show, and Mr. Siobhan used to run around with a young lady by the name of Gomez, and this chick was a gangster. She ended up getting in some trouble and went to the United States. But Mr. Big Show is no cakewalk. It seems like Mr. Big Show right now is ready to do some good work.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. Big things are going on right now in a St. Lucia. We see Commissioner God jump on the thing and know say, yo, him a go create a special unit, and that special unit they are go deal with the drugs, firearm, you understand, crime, guns. So him also say them a go move very aggressive. They must take a page out of Jamaica book. So over the years, we have seen many people lose them life in St. Lucia. What I am asking Mr. Chevron to do, I want him to take a look into this case for me. Now, Mr. Inspector, look at that picture right there. You have 5 young women. All of those cases, them unsolved. I am asking you, please put some pressure upon the people them and get this thing solved. Now, the sad and sick part about this, people in the community know exactly what happened to these women, especially Nikki and Riley. Riley was 15 years old, and pardon my language, the man them screw her off and then them kill her like dog, and there is no justice. So I am asking you, please, to look into this case. I am willing to work with you if you was willing to work with me. I want the same thing that you want, a peaceful St. Lucia. As a matter of fact, a crime-free St. Lucia and a crime-free Caribbean. Now, I soon make a little thing go on down so in a Viewfort and everything. The Vincentian man them and all the policemen get arrested. But me I go play some clip and go on my take on it. Let's go.
An intelligence-driven operation conducted between Sandy Beach and Savans Bay Viewfort resulted in the arrest of 4 Vincentian nationals.
Now, this is good police work, you know. But the only problem we have with this, it is plain as day that these 4 St. Vincent men were used as a pawn and then get set up. So the police work is good, but it's too easy. I would like to see the police them go down in a grass street, go down all in a them place there, and root out the prince and the other criminals them were in the system, in the country, a do pure fuckery. You understand? You have super criminals like John Wig and them man there. You have Dunce Prince. You have Scarecrow, Teletubby. You have Plastic Face. I mean, and the list goes on and on. So, I am not saying this is not good police work, you know. It's good police work and it's good practice. Cause it shows a boy who don't try work together and all that. But at the same time, me want to see on the root out some of the career criminals and get the place right. That's what I want to go. In a back hotel, you have the jewelry store robbery boy them down in the so all over the place, you know. Me can list names upon names, places upon places. And that me want to see. Grab Fort St. Vincent, man. We are bringing some goods and little thing, and then have all the immigration and all this thing out there. To me, it's a waste of resources, because I'm quite sure those St. Vincent men were coming to see somebody. You understand? So that's how me look on it. Now, Mr. Inspector Big Show. Like I said, good work you did with the little St. Vincent man them. Smuggle some goods and couple rare. That's fine. But I want you to look at these picture right here. Look at this. Now, that's some thugs right there. Real cesspool of dunce badness. Move on to the Scarecrow, the Teletubby, the Plastic Face them, and all of them man there. Now, my question is, these guys have been doing crime and everybody know it. And yet still, them free for roam. So to me, until you can move towards these super criminals, you understand, so people can really see that, listen, the Royal St. Lucia police is making a difference. Until you can do that, what you're doing right now is okay. And that's how I feel in my books. As for Mr. God, he made the right move in setting up a special branch police. And he picked the right man for the job, because you are streetwise. But what I'm saying, take a look again at these super criminals and get them out of the community so the community can be safer. And that's all Countryman saying. So one more time, Mr. Inspector Siobhan, show us your emotion. Show me emotion. That's what I'm saying. Run out upon them and solve some of these cases. Look at those women right there. Young, beautiful women. All of them dead. There is many, many more who is dead and missing. And I am asking you, please. You say you turn up the heat. No, why you turn up the heat on these young ladies, killers? Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.